Check, this is Agent Sasko, let you know the place to be. August 9 is Centennial Park, Etobicoke for the Toronto Jerk Fest. I'll be performing live. When we say live, I talk about with the band on the stand, so you understand. Mad something. We put your first and second and third. Everybody come forth, Toronto Jerk Fest. We in listen. I'm a winner. You know the dance.
Yeah, well, this is up close and personal, and it got to be because this one is different. Canada massive. It's all about the Jerk Fest. Everything blessed. Me now forward for the jerk. Me a forward for work. August 9, one performance. August 10, another one. Yeah? Taurus Riley, singy. The 9th and the 10th. Just for you and yours. Canada Massive, come check it out, see? Simple things, them are the blessing, one. Simple things, them are the blessing. 9th and 10th, more blessing, more music, good vibes. Enough love. Check it out.